Welcome to our channel where we guide aspiring YouTubers to create, grow, and monetize their channels without revealing their identity. Our purpose is to empower individuals to embrace the digital world and leverage the power of YouTube, a platform that offers endless opportunities for revenue generation through ads, affiliate marketing, and selling courses. We're here to help you navigate this journey, and we've got a free course and some amazing AI tools to make things easier. Stay tuned to learn how to set up your faceless persona. Like this video and subscribe. Creating a faceless persona allows you to maintain your privacy while building your brand. Anonymity on YouTube doesn't mean invisibility. You can still craft a compelling persona that resonates with your audience. Think about your brand's voice. What does it sound like? What values does it represent? Utilize tools like stock images, avatars, or custom graphics to create a visual identity that complements your brand's voice. This way, you can engage without revealing your identity. With your persona in place, let's move on to your content strategy. Content is the king of any YouTube channel. Here's how to create engaging content. The secret sauce to creating captivating scripts is something called prompt engineering. This is the art of crafting prompts that guide AI like ChatGPT to generate video scripts that resonate with audiences. Picture this. You're sipping a cup of tea, typing a few lines as a prompt, and boom, a full-fledged script appears on your screen. Now, let's talk about AI tools. These are not just futuristic gadgets from science fiction. They are here, in your hands, ready to assist you in creating videos. Imagine tools that can generate scripts, edit videos, and even post them on your channel, all while you kick back and relax. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's real, and it's here to revolutionize the way you create content. Now that you've got your content, let's talk about making money. Monetizing your YouTube channel can be done in several ways. First up, YouTube ads. The key here is to create content that's not just engaging but also monetizable. Think about what advertisers want and try to incorporate that into your content. This could be as simple as creating videos around trending topics or making sure your content is family-friendly. Next, affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other companies' products and earning a commission on any sales made through your affiliate links. To maximize earnings, identify profitable affiliate programs and craft compelling promotions. Lastly, consider selling other people's courses. Yes, you heard that right. You can promote courses created by others and earn a commission on any sales. This strategy works best when you've built trust with your audience. They're more likely to purchase a course you recommend if they believe in the value you're providing. Remember to keep the content engaging, provide value, and establish trust with your audience. Click the link for my free course below in the description for course information, and you'll also get my free ebook on 3 secrets for affiliate marketing. Click the course link now.